Sabi ko sa'yo,
Tagalog.
mag-Tagalog ka na lang eh.
Kamao man day ka mo Tagalog, pinapahirapan mo pa ako sa kalisod mag-English sa English, nagdabol ako ilong.
So, tulungan kita ng konti. Hindi tayong Gcash. Okay lang ba?
Bro, dili na scam.
Hindi scam, hindi scam.
Uy,
Okay.
habi naman
Mahal?
Mahal kita, I love you. Mahal kita, I love you. Means,
Oh, mahal kita.
are you a streamer?
Oo. I've been looking for you.
Sure, are you sure about that, sir?
You're in the Philippines.
Oh, yes.
Okay, one more time. You gotta not laugh. Okay. Here's my silver bun. What? Yeah, I know how to speak Tagalog. Because Filipino ako.
What? Filipino ka?
What's up mga kabayan? Dito tayo ulit. Hanap tayo ng matutulungan natin today. Hanap tayo na mabibigyan natin ng Gcash. Tuloy-tuloy lang natin ng good vibes. Kung nagugustuhan nyo ang mga videos natin, please share, subscribe, like nyo rin para matulungan yung algorithm para maikalat sa buong mundo itong videos natin at tuloy-tuloy lang ang good vibes. Tara. Hello? Philippines?
Yes.
Your camera is like sideways.
Wala kaming signal eh.
It's okay.
I'm do not speak English. It's okay. Kachinde?
What's kachinde?
What's kachinde?
Wala. Kachinde sa. Hindi gana eh. Ano? Like, can you kiss me? Ay, joke lang po.
I can't kiss you. I already have a wife.
I already have a wife.
Hi.
Hi.
Are you Philippines?
Yes.
What are you guys doing here?
Nothing, just,
Nothing. Just doing what?
just meeting sa, sure, I don't know. I'm just bored.
You can speak in Tagalog if you want. I can understand.
Oh, you understand Tagalog? Sige.
Come on, I'm game. Give me something.
Wait lang, I'm thinking. Ay, mani, oy. Kumain ka na ba? Ang sakto ba?
No, I didn't eat yet. I'm
yes.
having coffee. Kape tayo?
Kapit tayo. Maaga ba dyan?
Yeah.
Ano mo
It's
kakapit
morning here.
What time is it?
I thought you were gonna speak in Tagalog.
Anong oras na ba dyan? Unsa ko taon. Tayo pa yun.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Dito kasi 9:04 in the evening.
Oh, it's nighttime.
Yes.
What are you guys doing here?
Wala kasi akong kausap, kaya dito ako nagtatambay. Bored lang. Ngayon ko 5.
What's glima?
5.
5 peso.
5 peso.
Oh, 5 pesos.
Yes.
Are you asking me for 5 pesos?
No.
What's that? You don't look Pulubi. Do you know Pulubi?
No.
Siguro ko look og Pilipina unsa day ko look dai.
What?
Pulubi, bubong.
Pilipin yung gingon mini man ko.
I thought you're asking for 5 pesos.
No, I'm not. It was just a joke. Ano mo?
Joke? Okay, sorry na.
Sorry na. Kamao man dai mo sorry gay.
Anong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Kamao man dai ka matagalog ba? Pinapahirapan mo. Kamao man dai ka matagalog.
Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-Tagalog ka na lang eh.
Kamao man dai ka matagalog. Pinapahirapan mo pa ako sa kalisod mag-English sa English. Nagdabol ako ilong.
Sorry na. Nagko-content ako sa YouTube ko yan.
Ay, minutol! Ay, okay na. Nanosbli. Tabla kong English. Kamao day ka mo Tagalog.
Ingat kayo dyan ha. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Sige na, bye.
Bye-bye.
Check nyo lang yung channel, bye. There you are.
Huh?
I was looking for you.
Me?
Yeah,
I don't even know you.
but I know you.
No.
What's your name?
My name is Arlie.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking for.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito. Maita ulo ko.
Do I know you?
I was looking for you. Ari, right?
I don't even know you.
Yeah, but I know you. I was supposed to give you
I was
Gcash.
supposed to give you Gcash.
Gcash?
Yeah, what is that? I'm supposed to give you
I was
2K
supposed to give
in
you
Gcash.
2K in Gcash.
Naintindihan mo ba sinasabi ko?
Naintindihan mo yung sinasabi ko?
Bibigyan sana kita ng konti regalo.
Ng konti regalo.
Ano?
Meron ka ba
Si
Gcash?
Kuya
Meron ka ba Gcash?
Sama na, oy.
Hindi ako marunong magbisaya.
Hindi ako marunong mag-Bisaya.
Ay, hindi ka marunong magbisaya.
Hindi, Tagalog lang. Meron ka Gcash?
Sure na?
Sure.
Nakapagod si Mama, Dre.
Andiyan yung mama mo?
Yes.
Nagulat din siya.
Oh.
So, tulungan kita ng konti. Hindi pa yung Gcash. Okay lang ba?
Bro, dili. Na scam.
Hindi scam, hindi scam.
Hindi scam.
Uy,
Okay.
Tagasan kaya?
Tagaluzon ako, Nueva Ecija.
Tagaluzon ako, Nueva Ecija.
Uy, Tagaluzon. You're Filipino ka or half?
Half. Half Arabo, tapos half adobo.
Musik.
Nasaan yung nanay mo?
Rao.
Hello po. Hello po. Mano po.
Ang sagan akong Gcash, ma.
Ay, sayang.
Ay, wait lang. Naka-remember ko. Hindi na ako nakalimtan. Gcash ako na. I was looking for you. Kuya, yun na.
Okay, send ko sa'yo. Wait lang. Magkano ba send ko?
Biskang pila.
Ako na bahala?
Sige. Kuya, may pakulba-kulba.
Ano ibig sabihin ng pakulba-kulba?
Nabigla ako.
Ah.
Thank you.
Wala nga naman. Konting ano lang yan. Konting blessing. Ayun na.
Dili na ako makita. Go. Thank you.
Nakuha mo?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay lang?
Thank you, ya. God bless.
God bless din po. Ingat kayo dyan. Oh, Philippines. Hello? Which part of the Philippines?
Palawan.
Palawan?
Yeah, Palawan.
Oh, I want to go there one day.
This is a nice place.
It's beaches there, right?
Yes, we have a nice beaches here.
Oh, I was looking for her. In the back. What's her name? The one in the back with the black shirt. I was looking for her. What's her name?
Ping Ping.
Ping Ping? Ping Ping, I was looking for you.
Wow.
Yeah, I was looking for you. You're in Palawan, Ping Ping, right? Do you guys
Yeah.
speak Tagalog or is it Visayas there?
We can speak Tagalog and Bisaya. Sabi mo, mahal.
What does that mean? Mahal.
It means I love you.
Mahal.
I love mahal.
Mahal.
Love.
Mahal is
Love.
I love you.
No. Mahal is love.
Okay.
Mahal.
Mahal.
Mahal kita, I love you. Mahal kita, I love you. Means,
Oh, mahal kita. How do you say that in Visaya?
palangga ka. Palangga ako.
What was that? What are you guys doing here on Omi TV?
Nothing, we just
What?
I just I'm going to nosebleed.
Can I see her?
No.
The girl that's talking. Can I see her? Yeah.
No, I'm shy.
Don't be shy. I know you're nose bleeding right now.
No, I'm just joking.
Can I see you so I can show you the surprise? Good job. Thank you, Ping Ping. What about this one? Why is he mad?
What did you say, sir?
Why are you mad? Why are you mad?
She's mad.
Yeah.
No, go.
Why are you mad?
She's not mad. She just
Why are you upset?
She's not upset.
Tell me why you're upset.
She's not upset.
Oh, there you go. Now you're smiling.
Yeah.
I want to see Sarah in the picture. I'm actually shooting a YouTube video right now.
Famous mo ka ra. Streamer ah? Famous ka mo.
Come on, Sarah. I want to see you, Sarah.
You're a streamer?
Kinda. Yeah, kind of like a streamer.
Again, we are going to famous.
That's why I want to see you, Sarah. I want to see your reaction when I show you my surprise.
What's the
Slow-mo na sa slow-mo.
surprise?
I have to see you first.
Ujit yan, minto.
That's not Sarah. All right, I guess I have to go now.
Hey.
Don't be sad. Why is she sad? Why are you sad? See, I like this one. This one, she's not shy.
She's big a problem. She has a big problem.
What's the problem?
Ano one yung solution? She is beautiful. That's the problem. How to be ugly? How to be ugly? How to be ugly? She's so beautiful.
Wow, now she's upset again. Y'all don't have a problem. Wow, why she turn around? Wow, what is this drama?
Are you crying? Baga drama ako Jay. She's like artista, Maria Rivera. She want to
All right, well I gotta go. It was nice meeting you guys. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Mamaya na lang ah. Sige, bye.
Ala, mamaya na lang. Grammar mo. Nice yun, nice.
Marunong pala kayo mag-Tagalog, hindi kayo tatagalog.
Marunong pala mag-Tagalog. Pinahirapan pa ako mag-English yan. Lose-bit na ako.
Nako, umiiyak na naman si Joylyn, oh.
Tagalog pala. Loko lang kami. Ayan.
Sige na, kita-kita na tayo sa YouTube, ah.
Sige po, salamat po, Paymo, Sir Paymo.
Ingat, ah, ingat.
Idol.
Sige na, bye. Mahal kita.
Kita.
Yeah, bye. See you again.
No, I'm not. It's the first time I saw you.
Really?
Yeah,
I've been looking for you. What's your name?
cat.
Kat? You look familiar.
Where?
On here.
No,
You're Filipino, right?
this is the first time I saw you.
What are you doing here?
Are you a streamer?
Uh-oh.
You. Alam mo, ulol.
Streamer ako. Nag-YouTube ako ngayon.
Streamer ka. The hell, kasi.
Ba yan? Biglang namura.
Okay na. Gagi. Ay,
Okay, bye.
baliw. Sige. Bye.
What is that? A silver button. Whoa! Silver button, bro! The heck? Silver button!
That's the
Not a
silver
white
button.
White button!
No, it's
Hey,
silver.
white
It's silver.
button. Yeah.
I
Are
found
you
you, bro.
right now?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Are you recording? Oh! Hey! I subscribe na.
Salamat ah, pre.
Ay, Tingnan mo, Joe. Joe! Hey, Joe! Dami na lang ano mo, pre. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Sige. Ingat. Oy, my subscribers, follow nyo si ano, Jobeezy.
Hey, salamat.
Follow nyo sa TikTok yan, ah. Sige.
Guys, wala niyo po, guys.
Ingat.
Magla-live tayo ML sa TikTok. Magla-live
Oh,
tayo
ML
sa
daw,
TikTok.
ML.
Bye, guys.
Hello?
Are you vlogger?
Yeah, did you see my YouTube? Oh, what are y'all doing here? Ano gawa mo dito? That's Chinese.
Do you speak Tagalog?
Konti po.
Can you speak Pangasinan?
Tagalog la. So, gawin.
Tagalog po.
I see you, Toy.
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is EJ. Sander.
Sander? Hey. Masyado magulo.
Masyado magulo.
Okay po. Where is your girlfriend?
Wala akong girlfriend.
Nasa bututo.
Ang girlfriend.
Wala kang girlfriend? Yung toy mo. Malaki o maliit?
Sorry po.
Hindi, sorry.
Susumbong kita sa tatay mo.
Hindi mo kilala tatay ko. Panot.
Kilala ko yun.
Kasi may nga i-vlogger sa tayo.
Kilala ko yun. Taga-Pangasinan ka, di ba? Pero wag ganun yung bibig mo, ha. Susumbong kita sa tatay mo.
Ganun yung bibig mo, susumbong sa tatay mo.
Huwag kayo kasi masteros.
Okay, sorry.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Ibagak ni tatay mo.
Sorry nga.
Ikaw na nga nagsasorry, ikaw pagalit.
Oo nga.
Sige na, B.
Bye po. Love you.
Sige na, ingat. Love you all.
Bye po.
Oh, I've been looking for you.
What, sir?
I've been looking for you.
Sure, are you sure about that, sir?
You're in the Philippines.
You're in the Philippines.
Oh,
Yes,
arigato.
yes.
Kamusta ka po?
Kamusta ka po?
Okay lang kami. How are you?
Mabuti po.
Mabuti po.
Hala, nice.
Kabalo siyang Tagalog. Kabalo. Boss.
Konti Tagalog.
Konti Tagalog.
Where are you in the Philippines?
Where are you in the Philippines?
We're okay. Hey.
In Visayas?
Say lo.
In Visayas?
Hindi. In Mindanao. We're in Mindanao.
Oh,
We're from
Mindanao.
Oh, Mindanao.
Yes.
I love Mindanao.
I love Mindanao.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Huwag ka muna alis.
Huwag kang muna alis.
Sige. Say kabalo. Yawa.
Oh, I've been looking for you.
Oh, I've been looking for you.
Oh, you're a YouTuber.
Yeah, you see my silver
Yeah,
plate?
see my silver plate?
Yeah, silver plate.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Because he saw something. My cousin's doing something behind the camera.
Are you sure you're not laughing at
Are
a
you sure
silver,
you're not
silver
laughing at
play
a
button?
silver play button?
See, you're laughing. I knew
See,
it.
you're laughing. I knew it.
No.
I'm gonna skip now. You're
I'm
laughing
gonna
at me.
skip now. You're laughing at me.
Oh, no. Sorry.
Okay, one more time. You gotta
Okay, one
not
more
laugh.
time. You gotta not laugh.
Okay.
Okay. Here's my
Okay.
silver button.
Here's my silver button.
What?
Get out of the camera. Okay.
Why are you?
Why are you
She's laughing.
just laughing?
What's your name?
I am Gia.
Gia. Nice to meet you, Gia.
Gia, nice to meet you, Gia.
He's still laughing.
He's still laughing.
Gia, walang pangan.
Where are you in the Philippines?
Where are you in the Philippines?
I'm in Cebu.
Cebu. Oh, maayong
Oh,
gabi.
maayong gabi.
Woo, that's amazing.
What are you guys doing here?
What are you guys doing here?
We're having fun because we are bored.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to check out my
Do you want to
YouTube
check
channel?
out my YouTube channel?
Pagdali.
Wait.
Dali, ang bagal naman.
Dali, ang bagal naman.
Na, pagdali lagi.
Kuya.
Ang bagal naman ni Kuya.
Bagal
Bilis.
naman ni Kuya, bilis.
Wala, makita ko. This one?
Wait.
Wait, it still go.
Yeah, that's me.
This one?
Yeah, that's me.
Uy, ba't i-post to?
Okay.
Okay na, masikat na.
Yeah, sisikat ka na,
Yeah,
bro.
sisikat ka na, bro.
Yeah, ingat.
Yeah, ingat.
Okay lang yung silver play
Okay
button.
lang yung silver play button ko?
Yes.
Okay.
Ah, okay.
Hey, how are you?
How old are you?
Take a guess.
Yes. I'm not good at guessing, but 20?
Sorry. I just
What?
had to. 20? No, I'm way older than 20.
Higher or lower?
Lower. What? I can't be lower than 20. Higher.
Tama kayo. Ako na mali.
25?
Go 10
I'm
years
sorry, I'm
more.
not good at guessing.
10 years more.
35?
There you go.
Oh, what the?
Yeah, 35. Is there a problem with that?
No, I was shocked.
What about you? How old are you?
What?
Like, ilan taon ka na?
I'm 14.
14 ka pa lang?
You know how to speak Tagalog naman pala eh.
Yeah, I know how to speak Tagalog. Because, Filipino ako.
What? Filipino ka?
Filipino po ako.
Yung accent mo grabe yung accent mo tapos grabe. Kala ko talaga.
What you mean, my English accent? This is how I
Pure
speak.
or half?
This is how I talk. Okay ka lang, ate?
Half Filipino? Oh God.
Meron ka bang GCash?
Yeah, I have.
So, pwede ba ako magbigay ng onting regalo sa'yo?
What kind of gift?
Bibigay ako ng GCash sa mga nakaka-content ko dito kasi. Gusto kong tumulong sa mga Pilipino dyan. Okay lang?
I don't know.
Gusto ko lang tumulong ng konti. Like, konti lang siya. Okay lang ba?
Okay.
Okay. Huwag kang iiyak, ha?
Yes.
Ito. Sinesend ko na. Alam mo, scam, no?
No.
Talaga? Okay, good.
Oh my God.
Ano?
It's too much.
Sana napaligaya ko ng konti araw mo. At sana makatulong ng konti yan. Pinalo kita sa Instagram. Sige na. Ingat ka lagi, ha?
Bye-bye.
Bye, Zan. Ingat ka.
Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Salamat naman. God bless, okay? Bye. Peace.
Oh, you have the YouTube. Oh my days.
I got the
Wow.
I got the
Oh
silver
my
play button. You see it?
Yeah, congrats. I'm
Thank you,
gonna
thank you.
subscribe you.
Let me give you my that's my YouTube Famo. I got that one.
Oh my days.
Why are you laughing? That's legit. Look at that. It's legit.
I just subscribed. Oh yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Are you Filipino?
Yeah, I'm Filipino.
You speak Tagalog?
Oh.
How about English ka?
Oh ayaw. Saan ka sa Pilipino? Mura. Ay, Bisaya ba ako? I'm Bisaya.
Oh, you're Bisaya. I'm from Luzon, Tagalog.
Luzon. Para kang foreigner. Kaya
Half ako,
napa-English ako.
Half ako,
Half.
Half Arabo. Tapos half adobo. Yeah. Okay.
Adobo.
No! God, please, no! No!
Just me, you.
Okay.
Ngayon na
Subscribe.
ako.
Thank you sa subscribe.
Wait lang.
Sige na, bye-bye.
Ngayon na
Joke lang.
Hindi. Ialis ko
Yo.
yung subscribe.
Hold on. Oh my days. Chill.
Ngayon na ako nakakita ng
Ano?
maayos na.
Pangit?
Hindi,
Sobra
maayos
naman.
na. Like, katok na USA. Like, girl, alam mo ba, lahat
Ano girl? Dito, yeah. Kala mo ikaw lang?
Nakakagigil.
I don't know.
Pati ikaw, grabe. Sige
na nga. Masyado mo na ako pinapatawa. Nawala na yung character ko. I knew it. I've been looking for you. What's your name?
What? Guess my name.
What's your name?
Guess my name.
Your name is Yes, my name?
No. I mean, you should guess my name.
Oh, guess your name. You look like
You've been looking for one.
Yeah. Maybe that isn't. It's not you, but I think your name is probably like Tintin. Jik?
No.
Ping.
Did you talk to someone that it's like caught your interest or what?
Yeah, but I think you have the same like hairstyle. That's why. What are you doing here?
I'm looking for someone to talk to because I'm bored as.
You're bored? What time is it there in the Philippines?
10:25.
Why are you still awake?
Yeah.
That's late.
No, it's not late though. Late is like 11 or 12.
Oh, okay. I'm trying to be a YouTuber.
Yeah, I'm about to ask about it.
It's my silver play button. See it?
I'm trying to read it, but I can't because it's too far away.
Yeah, I'll put my name on there. Here's my name.
Oh, I'm gonna screenshot it and I'm gonna subscribe to you when I open my YouTube.
So mamaya na lang.
God. God. Ang galing. Wait lang. Parang feeling ko niloloko ko nito, guys.
Hindi ako niloloko.
Halaga. Ang galing mo.
Pilipino ako, te. Pilipino.
Parang napasabak
YouTube
pa
ko.
ako sa English. Napasabak pa ako sa English nun nak ha. Parang gabing-gabi na inuubusan niyo pa ng English. So, out of stock na nga eh.
Gabing-gabi, pinapa-nosebleed eh, no?
Oo, te, parang hindi ko na kaya. Parang pasipon na to eh.
Pasipon.
Galing mo, te. I love it.
Okay. Check mo lang yung channel ko, ah.
Papatayin ako pag nakita yun ng nanay ko. At baka pala, tatansikin na ako dito. For civic ako sa bahay ni mama.
Hindi, galing. Sabihin niya, galing pala mag-English itong anak ko.
Siyempre! Ano to eh? May future mag-asawa ng foreigner.
Wow!
Oy, alam mo ba yung kukwento na lang ako sa'yo? Speaking of
sige,
foreigner,
yeah.
kasi nagka-crush ako ulit ng Filipino. Nito lang.
Okay.
Tapos, nireject niya ako. I mean, parang go nga kami eh. Tapos nireject niya ako. Tapos alam mo, pagkatapos niya ako i-reject, natulog ako. Tapos alam mo na panaginipan ko. Sabi ko kay mama daw, nasa US daw kami, te. Tapos sabi ko kay mama, basta may nangyari sa US. Tapos sabi ko, umiyak na ako. Alam mo, para dito talaga ako. Saya-saya ko. Time na yun na Amerikano talaga ang para sa babae na to.
Talaga, afam talaga hanap.
May mga, syempre, hindi na maganda ang lahi na kailangan natin ng magpapaganda.
Oo, hindi naman. Ganda kaya mga Pilipina.
Yung iba, oo. Pero
Ano
ako
iba? Lahat ng Pilipina maganda. Yan ang hinahanap dyan dito sa US. Ganyang kutis, ganyan ilong, yan ang hinahanap.
Ba't ka marunong magtagalog?
Kasi Pilipino ako.
Half ka ba?
Half Arabo, tapos half adobo.
Ay, galing ah. Galing mo.
Sige na.
Matino nito.
Sige na, masyado na late dyan.
Sige na, te. Bye, te.
Sige na, bye. Ingat. I can't see y'all.
Hi.
I got a light or something?
What? We're black, that's all. We're black. Don't judge. We're black.
What?
Joke, sorry. By the way, we're from Philippines. How about you?
Filipino din ako.
Ay, yawa.
You gotta get a Filipino here.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hi everyone, I am a Filipina.
Hey everyone, she's Filipina.
That's just a drawing of your. It's actually really.
No, it's not a drawing. It's
It's not a drawing. It's my silver play button.
I'm sorry. Look, I have glasses. I'm very blind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
I don't know. What are you doing here?
I'm just recording my YouTube channel.
Keep it up. Congrats.
Congratulations!
Napilitan pa si ate.
Yeah, boy.
Sorry.
Ang dami nyo na ha. Like,
What?
I've been fooled a lot.
You've been pranked a lot?
You've been pranked a lot?
What are you talking about?
I'm gonna
What? What's in here?
stop. I'm begging y'all to stop, right?
Ano binarinig mo?
I thought I heard something.
Oh, paligin mo lang yan. Yeah.
Oh, you really? No. Why do you keep laughing? Stop.
Because
it.
you seem surprised.
Yeah, I'm very surprised. I wasn't expecting your channel to be legit because of your very legit silver play button.
It's legit.
Don't subscribe, Famo, guys.
Yeah, listen to her. Don't subscribe.
Yeah, don't subscribe.
Unless you're a cool Filipino and Filipina, then subscribe. Sige na, ingat dyan, te, ha?
Sige na, ingat dyan, te,
Thank
ha?
you sa good
Thank you
vibes.
sa good vibes.